Hi guys, this is 2007 Ford Mondeo, the XR5. So this car had problem is oil leaking for the underneath. You can see the when the car is starting, it's pouring oil.
So I can see the near to the drive shaft they are pushing oil. There are a lot of drops in the floor. You can see here.
Okay, this one off the engine mount, and off all the brackets. Okay guys, you can see the of the crank pulley. You can see the area is oil. It's a oil pump, and bottom is clean. We need to off the timing belt now. Guys, you can see the oil leak for the crank seal. So I'm going to off the oil pump and change the O-ring in the gasket. We got the O-ring and the gasket. We need to off the oil pump. Okay guys, you can see the 4 bolt in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one is a socket T30. You can see the T30. It's going here. We do off that one. That 4 bolts. Guys, we off the crank seal. Then I off the 4 bolt. Then a little bit this one need to wiggle it. Need the pry bar. I use it like a little screwdriver. I put here and little wiggle it. Then can get out the oil pump. Okay, here's the oil pump. There's a O-ring in here and the one gasket in here. You need to change this gasket. Okay, this is the new gasket and the new O-ring. I put the little bit in Vaseline. Here all the old part, all O-ring and the gasket. So we need to put back this one. So when you put the bolt, little bit apply some Loctite, because otherwise come through the oil, this hole, through this hole. Okay, going to install it. Okay, it's in. So a little bit apply for the Loctite. Okay, now come through the oil. Okay guys, we installed the new O-ring and the gasket, and I put the new oil seal back in. Okay guys, I did the new timing belt because the belt is wet due to the oil leaks. So new tensioner and the new water pump. Put the new water pump. You can see the marks in here. Is one little notch in here. I mark the back also, both side. Okay, bottom side is okay. Tensioner is tight. You can turn the timing. Make sure it's not well hitting. Okay guys, we finally start the car. You can see the car is running fine. There no any oil leaks. I'll show you the underneath. So you can see underneath no more oil leaks now. They have to clean everywhere. Then after did the job.